60 questions in 60 minutes in Snap seems to be a tall order, especially if you contrast it with CAT or XAT. So here are 3 test strategy tips which will help you to boost your score and get through SIBM Pune, SCM HRD and a bunch of other institutes. And I'll also tell you what you can focus on in prep in the next couple of weeks so that you maximize your score. So first off, start off with your strongest section. Now Snap doesn't have sectional timers or sectional cutoffs. So whichever section is your strong point, you need to push through and maximize your score over there. Second, make sure that you prepare for LR. See, when it comes to verbal, the number of questions are less and it is vocabulary heavy. So there's only so much that you can do now. You can't go off and memorize all the words. And similarly in quant, some of the questions will be calculation intensive and will take time. But LR is easy. You need to prepare for it because these are different questions which come up. I'll put the topics here and you can also check it out on our MockCAD info zone section. And if you prepare for these, you have 25 questions which you can target and get as high a score as possible. And last, make sure to avoid silly mistakes. It will take you from a +1 to a -0.25 and a few silly mistakes could make the difference. So just make sure that you are using our speed verbal, speed math, speed quant section and practicing as much as you can to avoid silly mistakes. Now, how do we boost our prep over the next couple of weeks to maximize your score? This is what I would recommend in verbal and in LR. Whereas in quant, it's more about practicing. So go ahead, push through, crush it, and get top calls. All the best.